Hello guys, this is Jordan here, and I would like you to subscribe and share this video about watching and also like the video. So sometimes some people will be asking for EasyWorship 7 cracked version, which because of the last video I posted. So and EasyWorship 7 cracked version is not available for now, and the reason why I'm recording this is for you to do away with anything called EasyWorship. Anything called EasyWorship. So there are other alternatives to EasyWorship, and we are going to be starting from that now. So EasyWorship is a software for projecting on the screen for live production in your church services. So it can be used on services day, but I can also recommend another software for you. So vMix is what I do use personally. I use vMix a lot, and I found it interesting more than EasyWorship. So for this tutorial we're doing now, you will need your vMix software 25.0 version, then your vMix NDI desktop capture. You need it, and your Bible Show 5. You can download your Bible Show 5 from the internet, and also your PowerPoint. You can't do all this. You can't fully participate in this video without all the softwares I've mentioned. So we're starting with the vMix. So here we are in our vMix window, and the vMix is actually 25.0.29 as I've said, and also we are going to add input from here to before this we open our Bible Show software, Bible Show 5 software. Let's open it and see. So this is our Bible Show 5, and I forgot to mention that you should also download NDI. Ensure you download your NDI 5. I think NDI 5. So your NDI 5 has different softwares and combined NDI 5 tools. That's what it's called. And what we are going to need here is the webcam input. So when you open your webcam input, you see a button here. A button here which signifies that my Bible Show is connected to my NDI. And after opening your NDI, you come to your Bible. Since you are just using it for the first time, you come to configure. Don't enable your display window, because it will either appear on your major screen or appear on your second screen. So make sure you enable your NDI output. This data file is for using your Bible Show with data source through using your Bible Show and vMix through data source. So that one is I'll post the link on the description button. So after enabling your NDI output, it will automatically appear in your NDI webcam, and to show it here like Bible Show NDI. So you now have to go back to your vMix, add input, then go to your NDI, your NDI desktop capture. You already see your Bible Show NDI in the option. Then click on it and add it to your main display which is this. Make sure it is enabled. So you have to add maybe something like a video to make what you are doing relevant, so that you will be able to see your display here. Put it on number 1. Put it on number 1, then put it on number 2, and the reason why nothing is showing now is because your Bible show is not you've not clicked on any Bible reference in your Bible from the Bible show window. So let's just display this, come back to theme, so that I think I changed it to lower third theme. You can also make it to be on this theme, so you can select any theme of your choice. So display this. Let's use Judges chapter 1 verse 2, and so immediately I clicked on the Judges chapter 1 verse 2, it appeared on my screen on the vMix window. So let's see it now that it's being displayed here. So the reason why it's not showing on my major display is because it's on number 1, it's under number 2. So I need to click a higher one, because this is the primary layer. This is the primary overlay. So I need to click a higher number like this to be able to display on this. And for some of us that will like the Bible reference or Bible show to be displayed below your feed. So you may have to come to this place, that is when you want to make your Bible show to be like the lower third. You have to come to this place, reduce the size, bring it down a little bit, then just work on it. You have to reduce it and bring it down again. So I think this is so we're trying to align it, make it come down. So I've said it before that you can also change the theme. Whatever you change the theme to, that is what will display on your output. This is it. This is what will display on your output. Then anything you are doing on your Bible show is going to automatically appear in your vMix. And before I continue, there is one thing unique about this Bible show. In vMix, in EasyWorship, the Bible versions that are there, some are being paid for. Even in EasyWorship 6 that is cracked, some are paid for. So, and Bible show, one thing amazing about it is that it comes with different Bible versions that you can download. Even though it doesn't come with them, you can download them and install them on the system. It automatically appears on your Bible show window like this. So these are the list of versions that I've downloaded myself. You can see the Yoruba version, you can see the Igbo version, the Hausa version, and English version. I'll post the link in the description for you to be able to download your Bible show software, and also the link for downloading vMix, and the link for downloading your NDI. As for PowerPoint, most of us have PowerPoint. So this is for the Bible aspect of it. If you want to do without your EasyWorship, this is for the Bible aspect of it, and you need the Bible show software. So this is the icon of the Bible show software. So we are now going to head into our song display now. The two major things you need your EasyWorship for is for songs and for Bible passages. So we are going to go into our song display now. I'll be dealing with how to display your songs on your vmix without the use of EasyWorship. So yeah, how to display your songs without the use of EasyWorship. But I think you may still need EasyWorship in one way or the other, because EasyWorship is has a lot of songs, the soft copies of different songs, and if you want to get them, so I think let me show you of how to go with this. So we open our EasyWorship now. EasyWorship 6. Then we would let's close our vmix for now. This card changes and close. So our EasyWorship, these are EasyWorship, and these are different songs, lots and lots of songs, and so the best way, since the soft copies of the songs are here, so we are going to use PowerPoint. So let's open. I think we are through with our Bible show. Let's open our PowerPoint. Then let's go with this song and do as if we want to edit it. Then you highlight all your songs here. Highlight everything. Or if you want to do it, if you don't want to highlight everything because it might be confusing in one way or the other, you can first highlight the first verse like this and copy, Ctrl C. Then you come to your PowerPoint and paste it here. So in this case we are going to choose a solid color of any color. So you want to make this a transparent, because you can either prefer to make it a transparent, since you do use it. I don't know how the format you do use it on EasyWorship, but you are going to make it a transparent stuff. In my own case, I do make it transparent. Because of what I do. I do add my feed, then it will be in form of a lower third. So I will just I'll just make this, like reduce this, then duplicate this for faster stuff. Just duplicate this, then come here, edit it, highlight, Ctrl V. You've edited what you wanted to do. So that is how to go. Let's just delete this slide. I'm just using this as an example. You can do the rest on your own. Then go for our designs, our background designs. You choose our black. Let's use black, for instance. Our black solid. Then we save it. This PC, the desktop, and then tutorial. PPT. Okay, then we can close our EasyWorship for now. Then we come back to our vmix, since we want to do away with our EasyWorship and vmix. So we are here with our vmix, and we add our input as usual. Let's add a live feed. Um, okay, let me add this. Sorry, let's add that video. Then we'll come to this. In this case, no need of NDI, no need of using your webcam input again. You do your away with your webcam input. Then also you come here and add your PPT file, that's your PowerPoint file, to your vMix. So many of us knows how to use vMix. You come to browse, then think what we saved it as tutorial PPT. You add, it's loading your slides, then you have your slide here. Sorry for that. It's not. I think I told us of how to, the reason for this. So the reason why it's overshadowing our, the reason why this is overshadowing our layer is because of the black background. So we are going to remove it through our settings, small box here. Click on it, come to position, no, sorry, color adjusting, then color key, then click on the color key, click on chroma key. Then because of this white you see here, because of the black stuff hanging on the white text, you just have to increase your, you just have to add your color picker and increase the filter. Also come here, increase your, sorry, I don't know how to use the chroma key like that. So once you do this, you see that your black will leave, your black will disappear. Right? So we have our text to be this, still have our text right now, so we can now change it to be on this. So finally I have to play this video to make our work straight. Position, increase the position, you have to zoom it. Wow. Zoom it, bring it up. I think you can see how the stuff is transparent. So when you right click on the slideshow settings, you can change it from fade, you can change the brush zoom, so to change it. I think you have seen how it is done. So fade to, come to fade. So that is how I do my things without EasyWorship. As for my church, we have a soft copy for all our hymns and all our songs. So, and I have them in a document file where I do copy and paste. I don't use EasyWorship again. So this is the best means of doing without EasyWorship. Then mind you, your NDI, the use of NDI can also be used with another system. You can also link two systems up. I think some of us know that. You can also link your two systems together through the use of NDI. So by when you connect the two systems to the same network, and your vMix is enabled on the other system, and let's say your Bible show is enabled on the other system, and your Bible show has NDI on it and it's also enabled, you can display Bible references from the other system to this other system where you have um, your vmix, and it will go smoothly, no lagging, because the two systems are sharing the whole. So thank you for watching. Please, my apologies. You must have seen some slight variations in the video you just watched, like the variation in the audio and video. The audio might not be following the video, so it was caused by different devices used in recording, that is using system for screen recording and the phone for sound recording. So while editing, there was this slight variation I noticed. So I accept my apology. Then the link for downloading the Bible show will be in the description, and the data source video, that is how to link your vmix to your data source, how to link your vmix to your Bible show using data source, will be in the description, as I've said before. So thank you for watching.